Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I share Canva designing tutorial, awesome Instagram tips and tricks, and website development with WordPress. If you are interested in all these topics, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, so you will know when I exactly post a new video. Hello friends, today we are going to create these amazing posters for Easter Day. Before starting our design, I would request you to check out how I created this egg effect in Canva. Link in I button. Let's get started. Add a new page first. Click on the template and search Easter. You can directly use any template. Here I am selecting this template. Delete text. Add broken egg element. Rotate and adjust everything. Now let's add text. Let's add an Easter bunny to our design. Lastly, add wishes in your design as per your choice. Let's check the final output. Hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials.